In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the default PDF viewer on your Mac. So if you want PDF files to automatically open in a different application, this tutorial will help you do that. Now, the first thing you need to do is open Finder on your Mac. Once you're inside Finder, locate any PDF file. Now, right-click on the PDF file and select Get Info. In the Get Info window, scroll down until you find the Open With section. Click on the drop-down menu and select the PDF viewer you want to use, such as Preview, Adobe Acrobat Reader, or another installed PDF application. Once you've selected your preferred app, click on Change All. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want all PDF files to open with that application. Simply click Continue to confirm your choice. Once you do that, all PDF files on your Mac will open with your selected PDF viewer by default. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Mac tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.